I learned online to use the kitchen stuff to make some liquid for killing the weeds in the grass. I use an empty spray bottle to fill in the white vinegar. Is that 1 gallon of wine table salt. I don't know how much I should add, just like I cook. Always add the salt according to my experience. Add as much as I like. Shake it, let it melt. Dishwashing liquid, 2 tablespoons. Shake it too. Let them melt with each other. Then use a permanent pen to mark it. It's weed killer.